What these are, this is just a set of waders that you pull up over your pants leg. You put on this little strap belt right here. It goes around your waist, and all they do is click into this. Very innovative like setup here. I actually like the way these are set up. They're very compact. I can roll them up and put them inside my entire backpack right here. When I'm out here on little rivers like this right here and I want to do some fishing and I want to kind of walk through the water, this is what I use. Now I do have my boots on today, but I'm going to pair them up with these kind of like little surfing shoes right here. And I'm going to try these out. I haven't tried those out. They make wader boots, but I currently don't have any wader boots. And what they do, see that little hook right there? That hook hooks into the top of the boot. They have a full-on neoprene bottom on it right here with the sock that rolls over top of it. So that's very neat how all of that kind of goes together. And then they go wide all the way up to the top. And you could see there's a little bit of like sewn area right here. So water doesn't go up under here, and there's elastic around there. And I got mine in a size large, but I think you can get them in a wide variety of sizes. The uppers is polyester. The socks are 80% neoprene and 20% nylon. And there's a little bit of the actual wash instructions. If you guys want to see that, you could pause it and look over on how to wash these things. But you know what? I never wash my waders anyway. I don't know why you would. They have a little KastKing logo on the side. I always like that little KastKing logo. Looks kind of cool. So let's go ahead. Let's get these things on. I'll do a little casting around and we'll see how these things work, and I'll let you guys know while I'm wearing them. So let's get to it. There is a left and a right. Think of the buckles always to the outside. First thing I'm going to do is put this waist belt on. It is elastic. Slide on just like this, everybody. You're going to run this around the waist belt, clip into place. That's how quickly I can get these on, which is a lot quicker than my other ones, especially the ones with the shoe in it. Those things can be cumbersome at times. Now these have probably been out for a while, but I think it's a very kind of neat concept. I'm just using some little surf shoes that I got. Oh, those work great. Right over top of the neoprene. And you guys see how that works? Wow, that worked out way better than I thought. I was curious because I don't have any wader boots, if I could make this work. If you're like me and you like fishing out on the river, this is the way to go. All right, let's walk out here in some water, see how these things work. Now still I could slip and fall, so I don't want to do that. I don't see any issues with these at all. Let's go a little deeper. Okay, I'm knee deep. Yeah. Okay, I'm over knee deep. I feel no water at all in on my pants leg or in on my socks or anything. This is why I like a set of waders like this, is because of the fact I can just walk out to these rocks like this, get a couple of casts in, and then walk back. You know what? That's why we are the KastKing here. And they look good. These things look great. You guys see that? All dry. I don't feel any water in on my foot or around on my pants leg or anything. I think these things are the way to go. I'm definitely going to be using these amongst my travels, amongst my fishing days. Even while I'm kayaking, I'll use these right here. Because if I ever had to get out of them, all I got to do is squeeze that right there and they'll pop right out. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing waders. See you on the next video.